Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to delete a table in Microsoft Word step by step. So, by the end of this video, you will know how to fully remove a table without leaving anything behind. Let's start with the first method, delete using the Layout tab. First, you need to select the entire table. Move your mouse near the top left corner of the table. When you see a small square with a plus sign, click on it. This selects the whole table. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools. Inside the Layout tab, you will find the Delete button in the Rows and Columns group. Click it and choose Delete Table from the drop-down. The table is completely removed. This method is very useful if you are already working with the table layout or adjusting rows and columns. Method 2, delete by right-clicking. Again, start by selecting the table the same way. Move to the top left corner, wait for the plus sign and click it to select the table. Once the table is selected, right-click anywhere inside the selected table. In the menu that appears, simply choose Delete Table. And just like that, the entire table is gone. Method 3 is the use of Backspace key on your keyboard. First, select the table the same way. After the table is selected, press the Backspace key on your keyboard. This completely deletes the entire table. Important note about pressing the delete key. Before we wrap up, here is something important to know. If you press the delete key on your keyboard after selecting a table, it won't delete the whole table. It will only clear the content inside, but the table borders and structure will stay. So if you want to completely remove a table, remember to use the Layout tab method or right-clicking method instead. If you accidentally delete the wrong table, no worries, just press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the deletion instantly. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy and proper ways to delete a table in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more word tips. See you in the next video.